In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your board content step by step into sequential frames and record a clear walkthrough using Talktrack. To begin, make sure your board is open in Chrome and that the content is already arranged in the order you want people to view it. This is important because your recording will feel much easier to follow when the board is visually structured from one section to the next. Before you start recording, take a quick moment to review the layout of your canvas and confirm that each part appears in a logical sequence. Think of it like guiding someone through a presentation. The cleaner the flow, the easier it will be for viewers to understand your explanation. Once your board is ready, go to the top toolbar in Chrome and click Talktrack. This opens the tool you'll use to record your walkthrough directly from the board. If this is your first time using it, you may see a prompt asking for permissions. That's completely normal, and it leads into the next step. Enable your microphone and camera so Talktrack can capture both your voice and, if needed, your video presence while you present. Be sure to allow access in your browser settings when prompted. It also helps to check that the correct microphone and camera are selected before you continue. A quick audio check can make a big difference, especially if you want your explanation to sound clear and professional. If you're recording in a shared space, try to reduce background noise so your narration stays easy to hear. Now you're ready to present. Pan across your canvas while explaining each section in order, following the structure you prepared earlier. Move at a steady pace so viewers can clearly see what you're referring to as you speak. Try not to move too quickly across the board, since smooth navigation makes the recording feel more polished and easier to follow. As you talk, keep your explanation focused on what appears on screen and guide the viewer naturally from one area of the board to the next. When you're finished, save the output link. This gives you a shareable recording that others can open to view your guided walkthrough. Before sending it out, it's a good idea to review the recording once to make sure the audio, visuals, and pacing all feel right. And that's it. You've successfully created an organized, sequential Talktrack presentation from your board content.